called u.com. So u.com is a wonderful tool that infuses chat with search engine, with image search, with video search. So it's just an amazing tool that you can leverage. So when you click on more, you have access to the 150 plus apps. Start reviewing 30 plus Google Authoritative AI search engine tools. Here are the top 10 best, and stay tuned to see my 4 favorite choices. Also grab a free guide to these tools in the description. It includes access to the 30 plus alternative tools, which will be free for only 24 hours. Without much ado, let's jump in. First alternative search engine tool is called Bing Search by Microsoft. So this, most of us already know about these things, as you only access it through the Edge browser, and it boasts to actually have better search, complete answers, a new chat experience, a creative spark, new Microsoft Edge experience. So it's something you can actually check out and leverage. And the second one we'll be looking at is Bard. So Bard is basically a chatbot, but you can also use it to access the internet. What you just need to do is to go to bard.google.com, click on try Bard. Okay, then you go to agree. Then you basically have access to Google Bard. Click on continue. So you're already signed in. So what you just need to do is to ask your questions. You can actually upload files, so in JPEG, PNG, or WebP. So basically, the Bard can read your file and tell you what is contained in that file. So probably you want to ask questions about the file and things like that, or even a picture. You could actually take a look at the picture and you ask it what exactly is on this picture. It has the ability to do that too. You can also record voice, ask it questions, and it answers. So basically, this is another tool that you can leverage. It can provide you links, have access to the internet and stuff like that. So another one you could look at is gptgo.ai, the free ChatGPT and search engine tool. So you can switch from English to any language you want. You can search and ask GPT. So it all depends on what you want. If you want to search and at the same time ask questions like a chatbot, you can do that. If you just want to ask only questions, you can also do that. So the bottom line is that you have access to the internet. At the same time, you can search and at the same time chat if you want to. So it's something you can take a look at. These are frequently asked questions that you can go through. Do I need ChatGPT account? Do I have to pay? What device? So and so on and so forth. So the next one we're going to be looking at is called Como.ai. Como.ai is just a very seamless search engine tool that basically poses 3 questions: ask, explore, and search. So you can decide on what you want to do. Okay, once you type, then you can click. So it processes your information and tries to find what you typed on the internet. Okay, so you can actually decide what you want to do is explore or search. So I really don't know the difference, but there actually has to be a difference. Okay, so ask anything, brainstorm or discuss topics, explore, see what the community is talking about, search, get quick answers or links to your resources. Examples, you can ask any of this, like you can actually click on this and it starts searching. So that's common for you, and you can always share results with this tool. And see, you don't even need to log in or sign up to do anything. Next one I'm going to be looking at is called u.com. So u.com is a wonderful tool that infuses chat with search engine, with image search, with video search. So it's just an amazing tool that you can leverage. So when you click on more, you have access to the 150 plus apps. So they have code, education, facts, finance, general, how to, news, places, receipts, reviews, shopping, social media, sports video, and so on and so forth. So there's also like extension and community. So it's something you can leverage. So it combines a whole lot of tool sets for you to have in one place. So the next one we're going to be looking at is called Perplexity. You already know Perplexity. It's more like Google search, but a summarized version. So instead of going through 200 pages, it streamlines it to the most important 10 or most important 4 pages. All you need to do is to ask. So it also has a chat feature that you can leverage. The next one we'll be looking at is Browser AI. Browser AI is from Opera, and it poses to reinvent the search engine experience. So it infuses AI, instant access, informative, generative, and web connected. So it poses. So this is how Opera wants to come back into the game. So they're trying to. It all feels like they were faded before, but now they are back. So you can leverage and check out this. Click on download to download the software and check it out. The next one I'll be looking at is called Andy. So Andy is basically a chatbot that has access to the internet. So hello, I'm Andy, your friendly search assistant. The more detailed your question, the better I can help. So you can ask any question and Andy will search the internet and chat with you at the same time to brainstorm. The next one we're looking at is called Ask AI. Ask AI questions, free AI search engine. So basically you can ask questions and at the same time search, and search specifically for products, forums, academics, books, wiki, advanced. So you type and then you click on what you want. Okay. So you can also use voice to search or ask questions, and then you click on this button. You can click on this to learn how it works. Now the popular search questions are these. You can explore more example questions are these. So when you go down, you have what is Ask AI. Ask AI is an advanced free AI search engine that enables users to ask AI questions and receive instant, accurate, and factual answers without ever storing your data. No, that's basically a streamlined explanation of what they do. So this free AI search engine utilizes similar technologies as ChatGPT, but in addition to its harnessing a highly optimized natural language processing. So a whole lot of English right there. So just try and check it out. Leverage this. So they also have some tools that they are featuring here. They also created Flawlessly AI, which makes any writing flawless with just one click. So it's more like a tool that competes with Grammarly. So you can also check out Flawlessly if you need something like Grammarly. So just make sure you leverage on this tool. Check it out and let me know what you think. Now we also have Answer Socrates. Answer Socrates is a site that feels more like Google Trends. So you have answers, you have questions. I don't know if that's right, but then it's called the questions people are asking on Google about almost any topic for free. So it mixes up the search engine with the question and answer, and at the same time looking at trends. Why I said trends is because it updates you on the current questions people are asking right now, and you can go through and check it out. So anyone you click on, you can see more questions. Okay, so it's more like a search engine as well. So it helps you search the internet about what's happening. Another one you could look at is called Brave. So you've already known Brave. If you want security for your browser, you make use of Brave. You want security for your browser, if you want security while being online, you can make use of Brave. So I don't think they actually have any AI feature, but then I have to mention it because of their security features right now. So another tool that we're going to be taking a look at is there's one tool I had in mind, but probably I'll just link it in the guide. So now the last step you have to take is to click on the next video in this series to explore the next set of AI tools. Don't forget to download the free guide in the description. And it also has all the alternative full list of Google alternatives I promised. gives you access to that, but it's only for 24 hours. So try to grab it as soon as possible. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.